Hello, dear food enthusiasts. Just recently it was all about zucchinis, but now pumpkins have taken over. They're everywhere, making their way into our kitchens. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how to create a delicious pumpkin pan filled with flavorful bratwurst. If you want, you can also use weisswurst as an excellent alternative. For this delightful dish, we definitely need some smooth and creamy tomato puree paired with a few fresh little tomatoes, like those juicy cherry or zesty cocktail ones. We'll also need sugar snap peas, seasoned pepper, salt, and a pinch of fennel seeds. Of course, we'll need bratwurst, as I mentioned, or weisswurst works too. We also require oil, butter, a red onion, and of course that fresh pumpkin. Hokkaido pumpkins are absolutely great for this dish, but muscat pumpkins will do just fine as well. First, we take the time to peel our onion, cutting it carefully into quarters, then slice our sausages into about 4 cm pieces. Next, we cut the pumpkin in half and then into quarters. A bread knife works well for this, as it's designed for hard crusts or shells. Then, with a tablespoon, scoop out the seeds and loose pulp. No need to peel if you're using Hokkaido pumpkin. Next, let's take the pumpkin and slice it into large pieces, then cut those pieces into small cubes. We cut the washed sugar snap peas into pieces, then halve the tomatoes. That's it for the prep work. Now we heat up some butter and a bit of oil in a large pan. Now, we add the pumpkin pieces to the pan and saute them for about 4 to 5 minutes. At this point, go ahead and toss in the savory bratwurst pieces, then saute them for an extra 5 minutes to bring out their delicious flavors. If you prefer them darker, give it an extra minute. Then, add the onion pieces to the pan. Next, you'll want to sprinkle in some fennel seeds, stir everything together, and let it cook for about another 3 minutes. Now pour in the tomato puree, mix it all together, and reduce the heat slightly. And let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, giving it a stir now and then. Now, let's get those bright sugar snap peas in there, mixing everything thoroughly together, and then let it stew nicely for around 5 more minutes. Finally, bring in those bright juicy tomatoes, and remember to season the entire mixture generously with plenty of pepper and a good amount of salt. Stir thoroughly once more. Now heat everything again for about 3 minutes. And then our delightful dish is ready. Please take it off the heat. Serve it up and enjoy. I promise you it's incredibly delicious. This is a wonderful, hearty combination of fresh seasonal veggies and juicy sausage, absolutely perfect for this pumpkin season. I hope you enjoy making this delicious dish and savor every bite. Bon appetit! It's been such a delight sharing this recipe with you all. Until we meet again, take care and farewell.